Hey guys, welcome to TechSole blog YouTube channel. This is Rahul here, and today in this video we'll be doing the quick unboxing and review of the waterproof case by Sportlink. I have this iPhone 16 model case, and they do have other model cases available in their website, and further I have provided the link in the description below. The box is pretty decent with some information mentioned on it, suggesting that the case is waterproof, drop-proof, dust-proof and snow-proof. After opening the box, the first thing we see is the case itself, and all other additional things are kept safely inside the case. In order to open the case, we need to apply some force. After successfully opening the case, we find the case key inside the case that helps to open the case. Instruction manual with detailed steps to follow. A tiny lanyard for extra safety. And we do have a cloth to clean the case. This case feels rugged but not bulky, and it is made up of full plastic with screen protector at the front and rear camera side. It features full access to buttons like volume rockers, power button and even camera control key as well. The bottom of the case is properly sealed with detachable rubber stopper for charging port. Unfortunately, we don't have iPhone 16 to test, but we will use this tissue paper to test this case. This case has to be properly closed by applying some force on all the sides to close the clip. The test is successful and we found no water on the tissue. We know that the modern phones are IP certified waterproof, but still, it may not survive in ocean water. So we may need additional protection to safeguard our phone in such situation. And if you are a traveler, vlogger or adventurous type needed extra protection for your premium phone from water, dust, scratches and accidental drop, then I recommend you to get this waterproof case by Sportlink at very affordable price around $30. And further, I have provided the link in the description below. So that's it in this video guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.